Hi everybody, and today I want to talk to you about my Note 8. Yes, I talk about this a lot. I think I've got about 10 videos on this. Maybe more by the time I actually get around to posting this. There's probably one thing that I would improve on this. Two things if you include my case, because this is an official Samsung case and it's got this cool little stand here, but that happens a lot. Samsung, I want a new case from you. The only drawback really about this is the fact that the S Pen is small. But it's small because it fits inside, the phone. So that's not really a drawback. And it doesn't stop me being able to draw. If you watch some of my other videos, they're pretty detailed. To say that I only work for short periods of time. I know some of you requested that I draw longer videos. Would I go slightly mad drawing for a week long on the same illustration on the phone? Probably so, considering that I normally draw on a 26-inch, 27-inch Wacom. Hopefully soon a 32. Stick around for the review of that. But yeah. This side screen I might go a bit Barney on. However, there is a solution to this, and that would be to use this. No, that is not a normal pencil. That is a normal pencil. That is the Staedtler Noris digital pencil, and that is very cool. Why is this very cool? Because this works with my Note 8. Not currently, because I have to do one thing, which is to take out my S Pen. And then gonna get rid of that little annoying little menu thing. And then look, I can give her a beard and a hat, some glasses. There we go. Just because. But this is a full-size pencil. It's, it works. It's really, really comfy to hold. If I just show you this compared to this, look at that, right alongside. Let's crack these open. Look at those and how similar they are. They're just remarkably similar. Only the same company could have done that. They are fantastic. It's marvellous. It will just fit in your pocket. They even give you a small cap to fit right on the end if you're a bit worried about hurting the nib for this. I'm not going to try to pull that out. I'm pretty sure it just takes standard S Pen nibs though. Taste it. Pretty sure it's made with real wood, or at least kind of card, maybe? I think that's card. So it has that wood texture. That's very cool. The point is though that it works, and that's fantastic. I'm going to shut up, do some drawing now. Prove just how nice this is.
So I'd love a couple of buttons and an eraser on this stylus, but as far as I'm concerned, this is the best stylus on the market for a mobile phone. I'd like to say thank you to Staedtler for sending out a couple of extra products that I didn't expect. They've been absolutely great as well. If you're looking for a stylus, if you've got a Note 8, if you've got another device, then go for this. Have a great time. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will speak to you later. If you've enjoyed this video, then like, comment, subscribe, and I'll speak to you soon. Keep watching. Until next time, folks, I will see you later.